Today, we are going to show you how to use a folding knife equipped with a rapid lock. This particular knife is designed for ambidextrous use, so the rapid lock mechanism and thumb stubs are on both sides. To deploy the blade with the thumb stub, apply pressure and follow the blade out in a circular motion. Once you hear the clicking sound, that means the blade is locked and ready to use. To close the blade, make sure that no fingers are near the blade's path. Pull back on the rapid lock and do a quick inward flick of your wrist so the blade is ready to be folded back into the closed position. If you want to challenge yourself, you can also deploy the blade with the rapid lock. First, pull back the rapid lock to unlock the blade and quickly flick your wrist outward while releasing the rapid lock at the same time, so the blade will lock into position once it is fully extended. Here's another way to fold the blade back to the closed position. Pull back the rapid lock and flick your wrist backward, and the blade will return to the closed position. With some practice, you'll be able to open and close the blade with one hand. But remember, safety first. That's it for now. We'll be back in the Master Cutlery demo room with more helpful tips real soon.